Right. Now let's move straight to links, which is also grade 12 content. Links, bookmark, hyperlink, and then cross-reference. Now, there are three types of links. We have the bookmark, we have the hyperlink, and then we have the cross-reference. Now, the bookmarks are used to link, or you call it a target location. A bookmark is a target location within the document or within another document. And then we can also have a hyperlink or a link to that particular bookmark. Then a cross-reference is also creating a link to either a bookmark or any object within the document. So these are all three types of links that we are going to also take a look at them. Now, I would start with the first one, two buildings, which says insert a cross-reference on the text reference to the bookmark forever. Display only the page number. So let me start with two buildings. Now, the question says, we must insert a cross-reference on the text reference to the bookmark forever. So we have to look for the word reference. And I believe it might be highlighted. If it's not highlighted, we can search for it. Here is it. So we are applying a cross-reference to this text. You select it. Now, cross-reference, you can get it from references, and then you see cross-reference. Alternatively, you can also search. After selecting, you search for cross-reference. It's going to give you insert cross-reference. Now, we can have reference type to numbered item, heading, bookmark, footnote, endnote, equation, figure, and tables. So we can cross-reference to any list or any item within the document. Now, the question says we must cross-reference to bookmark, and the bookmark name is called forever. So when you select bookmark, it's going to give you the list of all the bookmarks within the document. Now, again, the question says display only the page number. So we have here insert reference to. Then we choose page number. They can ask you to be above or below bookmark text, paragraph number, no context, paragraph number, full context. So per your phase 3, you are also required to create a link. It can be cross-reference or bookmark or hyperlink. So here we are linking to a bookmark by displaying the page numbers. They can ask you to also include above and below. And then you click insert. Okay. So now we only inserted to the page number, so you only see it here. Now, if I select and then I press Control, then I click on it, it's going to link it to that particular bookmark. Here's the bookmark. So that's how cross-reference works. It's a link to any place, a target location or any place. I can also give you another example here. Let's say I'm creating a cross-reference to this. But this time around, I want to cross-reference to a figure. There are no figures here. So maybe numbered list. There are no numbered lists in this document. Heading. Yeah, there are some heading here. I want to cross-reference to this link, this heading, and then I want it to be above and below, and then insert. So when I click on this, it takes me to that particular heading. So you can also have cross-reference linking to a heading instead of a bookmark to a heading. So that is also allowed. You can meet such questions so many instances. Right, now let's go to one member newsletter. It says locate the yellow highlighted heading, dear valued members, add a hyperlink to this text as follows. The hyperlink must link to the website list, and then the text covenant must display when the mouse hovers over the hyperlink. Right, so I'm going to open one member. One member newsletter. And then the question says, we must locate the yellow highlighted heading. So we have to go and look for yellow highlighted heading, this one. Then we select it. And then we right click and choose link. So whenever you are creating a hyperlink, you right click, choose link. Then it says the hyperlink must be linked to a website, enquiries@ph.gov. So this is the website. You type the website here. At ph. Right. Now you type the address here. Then the question says the text covenant must display if you hover over it. That is the screen tip. Screen tip. You go there and then you type it here, COVID-19. Then okay. So if I put the mouse pointer here, that COVID-19 must be there. Right. So that is how we create a hyperlink. Now, again, they can also ask you to create a hyperlink or a bookmark or hyperlink to a bookmark on the same location. Now, I think an example would be to marine. This one here is about cross-reference. We have talked about that. That is, you are cross-referencing to a picture. So the picture was already there. Now, to Jacobs, use the email address in yellow to insert a hyperlink to the default email program. Now, let's open the two Jacobs also. So now the question says there's an email address. We need to insert it. Use the email address in yellow to insert a hyperlink to the default email. So this one is already the email address given to you. You select it. We need to copy it. So now we want to link this one to the default email address. You right click and choose link. Now, whenever you are linking to email address, you cannot put the address here. This one is for website. So if you want the email address, you go to this one, email address, then you put that email address here so that it will change to mail to, so that the moment you click on it, automatically it opens the email address or email program for you. And then, okay. So the moment you click on this one, it's going to open email software for you. Right. So that is how this question was meant, wanted you to approach it. This one is the normal hyperlink. You can try your hands on it also. Cross-reference, we talk about it. You must also try your hands on it. Cross-reference can be inserted on anything, but always make sure that you focus on whether it is being linked to a bookmark or what. Now, before that, I want to also show you how to hyperlink to another bookmark, like to history 2. It says, let's open the to history again. Now, according to this question, it says, insert a hyperlink on the text Winter Olympics in paragraph 2 as follows. It should link to the bookmark highlight. The text highlight must display when the mouse hovers over it. So here we are linking to a bookmark on paragraph 2. I think this one was a different one, a different question or different data file. For paragraph 2, I don't see Winter Olympics. I'll verify that. Let's say we were linking this one to a bookmark, Paris. So bookmark, we choose place in this document, and then you are going to see all the bookmarks and then the headings there. So you see top of the document, all the headings will also be there. Now we are linking to, let's say, bookmark called Legend. And then you click on screen tip, maybe Legend. And then okay. So when I click on this, it takes me to that particular bookmark. Right. That is another way of inserting bookmark placed in this document. Now, you can also open another document. Let's say I have one street. I have one street. Then this one street, I have Legends, which I want to link it to the bookmark from to history. So I will select this legend, right click and choose link. Now, it is not placed in this document because I'm linking it to a bookmark from another document. So I cannot just click on place in this document. It should be existing file or web page. Then I click on bookmark. So here is a bookmark from that particular document. Now, if I want a bookmark on another document, I go to history. This is to history 2. I select the file. Remember, I must click existing file, and then you select the file. Then before you click on bookmark, then it's going to show you bookmark from that particular file, and then legend, and then okay. So if I click on it, it's going to take me to history, that particular position. So not to the same document, you can also get a question whereby they ask you to link it to another particular place within that document. So that part of question, they can ask you, they have started asking bookmark linking different documents. Right. So that is all about the links. You can try your hands on most of them. Whenever you see this, it's cross-reference. See on page, that's cross-reference. So this one, they were talking about the page number. They use the page number to do that. It is a cross-reference. And then also, this one was a cross-reference to a picture. So you can try your hands on that also. Okay, so that is all about links and then different cross-reference. You can go through them. You can go through those ones.